When a patient is confronted with a cancer diagnosis or any diagnosis, panic sets in. And frequently, once they hear the word cancer, they stop listening and they don't hear anything else. And that's why it's critical that when you're going to a doctor's appointment, that you're bringing someone else who can listen when you've stopped. It's very important to have that other set of ears there. So the goal is to have most of those questions answered without you having to ask them. But if they don't answer and your questions are not answered, then go ahead and ask those questions. But the key thing is to listen to the answers. People will come in and frequently say, well, do you mind if I tape this so that I can go home and listen to it? I don't mind if you do. I just don't think it's a great thing because, again, people even listen less than they normally would, and they hear less. And chances are they're not going home and listening to that tape. So have basic questions written down. Listen to the entire talk that the physician is giving you, all the treatment options, and then ask the questions that you did not yet get the answers to.